My friends, this is a problem. And what's the solution? That's right guys, Barkeeper's Friend, the powdered version, makes its return on this channel. We're gonna put it into action with the sponge, specifically the non-scratch sponge. This is an example of a scratchy sponge, heavy duty. This will actually do some damage to your pots and pans, especially if they're really nice. So you always want to use one of these right here. So non-scratch, scratch sponge, throw that away, and, well, don't throw it away, but just put it off to the side. We're gonna use this to shine our pots and pans. Go ahead, first things first, wet that sponge, squeeze it out till it's semi-damp, put some Barkeepers on the pot or the pan, and scrub. This is a pretty simple process that's just going to require a little bit of elbow grease. From time to time, you will need to take the sponge to the sink and rinse it out and start fresh. This will work on just about any pot or pan. The first pot I'm going to be doing here is aluminum, and the second pot I will be doing is made of stainless steel. So that is it, my friends, how to clean the bottom of your burnt pots and pans. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did and you found it valuable, please give it a big Claim of Confidence thumbs up. Really helps us out. If you want to take our relationship to the next level, drop me a comment down below. I love to hear from you guys. And until next time, I will see y'all in the next video.